Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making these delicious and nutritious homemade granola bars. This recipe is super quick and simple and is very adaptable, so you can use whatever dry fruits and nuts you have on hand. It's perfect for breakfast or just as a snack, so let's get started. Spread out the oats on a parchment-lined baking paper, and you want to make sure to use rolled oats for this recipe. Any instant or quick oats will not work. We're going to toast this in the oven for 10 minutes. If you're using any type of nut that is not roasted already, you can add that at this point to get toasted with the oats as well. I'm using roasted hazelnuts, so I'm not going to be adding that here. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, then take it out and give it a mix, and then bake for another 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and toasty. Once that's done, we're going to transfer it into a large bowl and set it aside to cool down slightly. Next, in a small saucepan, combine together a quarter cup of unsalted butter, some light brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla extract. Now we're going to melt this on high heat and bring it to a simmer while stirring constantly. Simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar is fully dissolved. Pour this onto your toasted oats and give it a mix. The link to the full written recipe will be available in the description box below, so make sure to go check that out. Now at this point you might be thinking, why is this still so dry and not holding its shape? Well, that's because we still have one more wet ingredient to add, and that's honey. Over here you can use any liquid sweetener such as maple syrup or agave as well. Give this a mix until it's fully incorporated. This is the base recipe to the granola bars. Now to this you can add any dry fruits or chocolate chips, anything that you like, or follow the recipe just as I did. I'm adding in some roasted hazelnuts roughly chopped, some pumpkin seeds, some dried cranberries which are also roughly chopped, and my favorite, dark chocolate chips. We're going to give this a mix until it is fully incorporated and the granola bars are ready to be set. Transfer this mixture into a parchment-lined tray, and now we're going to press it down using a spatula. I'm using an 8x8 square baking tray. That's because I like my granola bars a little bit thick, but you can also use any size you like. Another way of doing this is to use clean, wet fingers to push down the granola mixture. This step is very important to make sure that the granola bar doesn't fall apart when we cut it later. We're going to chill this for 2 hours in the refrigerator or 30 minutes in the freezer. Once that's nice and chilled, you can now cut it up into your desired shape. I just wanted to add here that if you guys have any requests of any recipes that you would like me to make, you can leave those down in the comments below. And as a last and optional step, I like to drizzle on some more melted chocolate, but you can totally leave this out. And that's it, your easy homemade granola bars are now ready to be enjoyed. This recipe is perfect for breakfast or just snacking throughout the day, and it is just so quick, easy, and versatile that you can add anything you like into this. Some other great options for nuts would be something like almonds, pecans, walnuts, pistachios, and even raisins. These granola bars are soft and chewy with just the right amount of crunch. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes, like the video if you liked it, and comment down below, and don't forget to hit that notification so you don't miss a single video. Thanks for watching!